Classroom amplification systems. Today's typical classroom includes mostly verbal instruction. This instruction is typically given by the teacher from one or several points around the room. While the teacher is the only person with specific permission to talk, she is not the only thing making noise. Shuffling papers, buzzing lights, running air conditionings, and other classroom noises are in constant battle against the teacher's single voice. In fact, studies show that students who sit further away from the teacher can miss up to 40% of what is being said. So how is a teacher ever supposed to cut through the noise? The answer to this question has been found in the use of classroom amplification systems. According to the British Journal of Audiology, the use of amplification systems in the classroom significantly increases comprehension. So how do they work? Classroom amplification systems are used to improve the sound quality and volume within a classroom. The system amplifies the teacher's natural voice in real time, allowing for louder instruction without the teacher having to be louder. The system itself is very basic, consisting of just 3 pieces: a microphone, a set of speakers, and a transmitter, each with different adaptations, accounting for different costs. For example, the microphone can either be handheld, worn around the neck, or attached to a collar. While the second 2 options allow for continuous hand-free teaching, a handheld model allows for the microphone to be easily passed from person to person. In fact, many systems come with additional microphones so that both teachers and students can have a chance to be heard. The speakers can be installed into the ceiling or walls, or simply placed on tabletops, depending on designs. The installation method allows for hidden wires and keeps the equipment out of harm's way. However, leaving the speakers out in the open allows the teacher the freedom of rearranging the room as she sees fit. With many adaptations available, the teacher needs to consider her specific needs before choosing a system that is right for their room. Up until this point, this presentation has been designed around the idea of using classroom amplification systems simply to overcome classroom noise. However, the benefits of this system are much wider. Classroom amplification systems can be used for teachers with soft voices to keep the strains off vocal cords and remove this stress from the teacher. Additionally, because of its ability to present clear and precise language to all students throughout the room, classroom amplification systems can be used with students with hearing disabilities, attention disorders, or students who are learning English as a second language. Regardless of the class size or the position of the student, all students will benefit from the capability of hearing their teacher properly. Classroom amplification systems can be easily implemented into everyday classrooms worldwide. For use, a teacher simply needs to turn the system on, slip the microphone over their head, and continue teaching normally. Wearing a microphone around the neck allows the teacher free use of her hands to write on chalkboards and with the cordless ability to move through the room. The system also allows the teacher to be heard even when not facing the class directly. Since the system is not subject specific, the investment into a classroom amplification system can be used throughout the day with all students of any age. Outside the classroom, the system can also be used in board meetings, staff meetings, or any setting where information is delivered to an audience. Systems are widely available from a number of different companies. Since it is such a basic system with many adaptations, a simple internet search can provide multiple choices in systems ranging from $600 to $1,300. Since the price varies so widely, it is highly recommended that teachers shop around for the best price and the best system to suit their personal needs. Independent research has shown that students with hearing disabilities, learning disabilities, students who are learning a second language, or simply students in the back of the room all benefit from the ability to hear their teacher clearly and proficiently. In fact, classroom amplification systems have been endorsed by hearing aid specialists and educational boards as an effective method of correcting the hearing problem. Additionally, personal experience and teacher interviews have led me to fully endorse the use of this product in the classroom. The system can benefit all students and teachers and help classrooms run more effectively throughout the day. Still not convinced? You don't have to take my word for it. Here are some great resources to help you make the right decision for your classroom.